Hello everyone! This time I want to talk to you about trousers. This is a very important theme. Our bodies are different, but sewing techniques are the same. We need to know how to adjust these techniques to make pants fit us. It takes a lot of hard work to make a pair of trousers fit you. Tacked trousers would never fit you well. You need to stitch, iron, and steam them. There is a lot of hard work ahead after tacking. This is Olya's pattern. Next time we'll start working with it. This time I'm not going to talk about designing. I want to talk to you about sewing. It's not enough to cut and tack pants accurately. When I cut and tack these pants, Olya will try them on for you to understand that tack pants can hardly be called pants. When the side seams are stitched, legs are steamed, the parts between the knees and the buttocks are smooth, it takes a lot of hard work. Only then you can try to see if the pants fit you. A mock-up or tacked pants would never fit you well. It's very important to think about the fit in advance. You need to steam pants even before tacking. You need to make sure that all the needed parts are stretched so that they fit you well. I want you to understand one very important thing. You can't make an item, skirt, top, dress, pants, and expect it to fit you perfectly at once. Not only you need to be a professional tailor to do it, your body should also be perfect. It doesn't happen often. We are all different, and our bodies are different too. You need to take it into consideration when sewing. Have you ever bought a pair of pants which fits you perfectly? I haven't. I have a pair of trousers which I bought in Max Mara shop. The pockets on these pants don't fit me at all. I haven't noticed it in the shop. What do? I don't pay attention to it. When I think of their price, I think that these pants fit me perfectly. When making pants for ourselves, we can avoid such problems. No one knows our bodies better than we do. If you decide to make trousers, get ready to work hard. Next time I'll show you how to cut and tack these pants. After it, Olya will try them on. We usually iron pants even for the first beating, but I want to show you what happens when you try a pair of trousers on right after cutting. You'll see how they will look like. After it, we'll remove the tacking and make all the needed preparations before they tack them once again. I want you to see the difference. I also want you to learn how to make alterations and adjust patterns for your bodies. It will take me several videos to teach you to do it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Peculiarities. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.